What's up? I got a new bag, new computer bag for business stuff. And yeah, got it through Tuscany leather made in Italy. So really excited about this. I've been looking forward to a new bag for a minute. You probably saw my review of the Tuscany leather CC. I believe it's how you pronounce it. So what did I even buy? What's this one called? What did I get? What did I get? I got the Tuscany leather Ventimiglia. Ventimiglia is what I got. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this thing. Took it about how long did this thing take to arrive? About a week. Got it off a Black Friday Cyber Monday discount. It was $648 shy. Move. 640 something dollars with no discount. But I got it for, how much did I get it for? 389 is my discount. So not too bad, not too shabby. Tons of room to fit stuff compared to the CC. Whatever. Yeah, let me just get this thing open. All right. There we go. All right, here we go. Stuff that I'll blur, but it basically has basic shipping information. Comes in a really nice bag, and we gotta be part of our little. It's love your new purchase as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Make it yours, so you can do your little social media. Free marketing right there. Greeted with Tuscany leather. It has a cool, feels like a cotton knit kind of material for the dust bag. And here we go. Oh my goodness, this is nice. This is so nice. Here, let's put it on top of the box. That is beautiful. That is really, really beautiful right there. Really soft compared to the slightly patinaed over here. Yeah, they're about the same complexion. Maybe I'll patina the same. Kind of a red, kind of a brown. Already kind of some distress in it, but feels really nice and soft. Not too many scratches, but I mean, let's look at the back here. Here's the bit where you can put it on your what do you call it? Your luggage. Also, it's interesting. It's in the middle already. I wonder if they did that on purpose. So what's going to happen when I... Okay. It's probably how they can tell if it's used or not. So now I can no longer return this bag. But yeah, your handle for the luggage would just go like straight through here, and then you can undo the top zipper. Oh, it was the same up there. Undo the top zipper, and then you can carry it around with your luggage. So I wanted to make sure I got a bag that did that, because I think that's super, super useful. Something else I'm noticing, something else I'm noticing is a bit of a pinstripe right here. I'd never seen that before. Then they kind of got the bit right there too. A lot of like little details about this I'm really liking. Look at the side right there, it's so complex. I don't know what this is. Maybe for your key? Also, I could have sworn that it had the Tuscany logo on here. On the images. Is this the key? Is the key in here? Certification. Oh, just a certification thing. Talking about it. Okay, okay. Come on. Fold. All right, whatever. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Got two buckles instead of one. Here's what the one buckle looks like right there. Very nice and satisfying sound. Click, clack. Man, this is beautiful. I love the stitch contrast with the leather. The zippers feel really nice and smooth. And I love this canvas inside right here. I love it so much. This is another reason I really wanted this. Almost looks like a ox kind of skin right here too, compared to the CC. So whatever has more of a raw bit right there, but it looks like they spent a little bit more time with the texture here. It feels super soft too. No more return policy, zipper right there. Beautiful. Here's the strap in there. All right, so this is different from my other one. The other one was like a full leather, but this one has a, it feels like a, just like a fabric inside, leather outside, stitched. Same cool hooks right here. You got your adjustment right there. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. You got your hooks in this obscenely complex looking side right here. It's gonna feel interesting. Maybe it's for weight distribution, hopefully. Make it feel a little bit less hectic on your shoulder. Now I'm over here trying to, oh, okay. There is like a buckle right here. Not a buckle, a button. I don't know why I said buckle. And then you get your organizer, also in this beautiful canvas right here, front and back. This bag is insane. Like already, I mean, this does look like a $600 bag to me. I can't believe I got this for 380 something. So many places to put stuff. Tuscany leather, handmade in Italy. You see at the very bottom there. Look how wide this thing opens too. That's beautiful. Huge openings. Huge. Super easy to access stuff. I didn't even know it's going to have these two pockets right here. I thought it was just going to be these two, and it was just going to be like the one like piece right here. But no, you got like 4 areas of storage in the front. You got this bit, and then you got 2 huge compartments. You got another one for like whatever you want to put there. And then you got the one back here that can be a pocket in your handle. So this is just super versatile. I'm absolutely in love. I don't know if these normally come with keys, but I guess mine didn't come with the key. I'm not complaining. But I see all these bags, right, that have the keyholes. And I'm like, okay, where's my key? I guess it doesn't... What? Maybe it would lock? Is that even like a real keyhole? Hold on. Because I'm looking at it, I'm like, how would you even lock it? I only see a spring. But that does look like a mechanism right there. A very, very beautiful bag. I'm totally not searching around for the key. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. Let's go ahead and put some stuff in it. Let's take my 16-inch MacBook Pro. And I'm also going to take my, what is it, 14-inch MacBook Air. And we're just going to see if both of them fit in here. Because this is one of the biggest laptops you can get, so how well does it fit? As expected, fits perfectly. If I want to put my MacBook Air in the front, no issue at all. Closes up, good to go. Perfectly fine. Say I wanted to put the MacBook Pro in the front. Slightly tighter, pokes out just a little bit. That's maybe, no, never mind. It doesn't really poke out. That's just the thing down there. So yeah, fits perfectly. You can put two 16-inch MacBook Pros in this bag, no problem at all. But yeah, I'm super happy about this bag. It is beautiful in every way. I've had this other Tuscany leather, I'm not going to say the name of it, but I've had this other Tuscany leather bag for a couple of years at this point, and I can finally move it on to its next owner. It's been incredible, it's been painted beautifully, and I've had no issues with construction or anything like that, so I'm expecting this next bag to be the same way. But anyway, thank you all for watching this video, as always, and more soon.